Hi everyone, my name is Heiko. We want to learn the Somali alphabet and the basic words, the basic greetings and basic words that is for beginners. Somali language is spoken mainly in East Africa. Um, it is mainly spoken in the Somali regions in Kenya, the Somali regions in Ethiopia and Somalia. The Somali language was written officially in 1972 by the Somali government at that time. Before that, people just they didn't have a way to. They didn't have a history of. They didn't have a writing history before that. They just spoke it and memorized it. Um, the poems and songs and um, basically they just um, knew the Somali language by heart before that. So today we will learn the alphabet, Somali language. Basically, the Somali alphabet is based on the Latin alphabet, except with few modifications. Um, the alphabet is ba, ta, ja, ha, qa, kha, ra, sa, sha, da, da, ka, ma, na, ha, wa, ya. Shakalo or vowels are a, e, o, u. The long vowels are a, e, o, u. There are some difficult letters that's difficult for English speakers. They are ha, a, and ha. In order for you um, to learn these letters, just practice it, and it will get easier as the time goes by. For example, the letter ha or kh is pronounced like the Arabic letter ha, or the name Khan. The letter A is pronounced Ain, like the Arabic word Ain. The letter X is pronounced Ha, Ha. Um, so these three letters, or two letters in the Somali alphabet, is difficult for many people. I taught many of my friends, and they said it was difficult to pronounce. But at least in the beginning, try to listen the native Somali speakers and try to emulate how they pronounce these words. These words are difficult at first, but as the time goes on, you will get better and improve. Um, Also, there are two confusions when it comes the letter ka or q and k or ka. Um, the letter ka is pronounced like the Arabic word qaf, and the letter K is pronounced like the English word um, kui, 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 or Karen, or call. Also, the letter da or dh is pronounced like dharma. The letter g is pronounced ga, like go, or guarantee, or get. Also, the letter J is pronounced like jam. The letter Y is pronounced like yellow or yam. Vowels are, as we said earlier, A, E, O, U. If we use some words, some example, we could say Abe, meaning father, Ebe, meaning God, Ibi, meaning cell, Ohim, meaning cry, Ur, meaning pregnancy. Um, Also, to practice these difficult words, you could practice these words. For example, the letter A, you could say alan, meaning flag, or ano, meaning milk, or ayar, meaning play or game. Um, Da, um, meaning dar, um, dar, dul, meaning land, Talasho, meaning birth. As in kha, you could use the word is khudrat, vegetable or veggies. Um, you could use halad, meaning wrong. You could use hasab, meaning force. As in X, you could use hal, meaning solution, or hal, meaning issue, or had, meaning steal. As in qa, you could use qar, meaning right, qalin, meaning pen, or quran, meaning filth. You know, common greetings in Somali, you could say "Assalamu alaikum," meaning peace upon you, peace be upon you. It is not technically Somali. It is for all Muslims. Muslim people use it's a Muslim greeting, but most Somalis use this greeting. Mafi antai, meaning are you doing okay? How are you doing? It's just a greeting. You could when you say mafi antai, meaning are you doing okay? Um, and they would say nawad, meaning fine, or I'm doing okay, you know. Sabah wanaagsan, maalin wanaagsan, meaning good morning. Um, you could say maalin wanaagsan, have a good day. If you could say please, means fadlan. Thank you means waa mahadsantahay. Goodbye, meaning nabadgelyo. Um, if you want to know the word is to use when you want to question someone, you could say wayo, meaning who. You could say wamhai, or what. You could say gorma, meaning when. You could say halke. You could say halke means where, or side means how, or sabab waa maxay meaning why. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. So that's if you want to question someone, those are the questioning words in Somali. As for colors, if you want to describe birds, different birds, you could say green is agar, yellow means jale, red means gudud or asan, blue means blug, white means adan, and black means mellow. So I think that's it for the first lesson. I hope it helped you a little bit. As I said, the Somali language is very simple. It's not a complicated language. If you learn the alphabet and the basic words, you would basically master it in few weeks. I have friends who didn't know the language, and now like couple months ago they didn't know what Somali how to speak Somali language, and now they know how to speak the language. So if you practice it, if you learn the basic words, um, it will be helpful, and it will be very easy to learn. Um, I hope you guys find this useful, and if you find it useful, please comment and let me know what you want to learn about this language. If you have any questions or concerns or suggestions, I am open for that. This is my first video, so there's amateur quality in terms of the production. So, but I hope I will improve as the months go by. So I will answer each and every one of you if you comment and ask questions or have any advice or anything. So I will see you next week with a new lesson, and I hope you have a good day or good night or whenever you are watching this. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.